Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a candy striped friendship bracelet. I'm going to be using friendship bracelet string and scissors. So without further ado, let's get started. For this friendship bracelet, you're going to need 3 colors of string. I'm using this pink, this lighter pink, and this white. And I'm kind of going for like a coral color theme. So now you're going to want to get your strings and you're going to want to cut them. And in the end, you're going to want to have 6 strings. When you're cutting the string, you're going to want to fold it in half because you are going to need 2 strings out of 1 color. So here is my white string. I'd say it's about 25 inches. I like to make my strings longer just to make sure I have enough string, but it's 25 inches folded in half. So not folded in half, it'd obviously be longer. I have cut them all the same length. I'm just going to be tying a knot at the top. So just like this, and then you have your string. And now you're going to want to tape this down to any surface that you have. Okay, so as you can see, I have all my strings laid out, and I have light pink, coral, white, light pink, coral, white. And you're going to want to do the same thing with your strings, and now we're going to start the pattern. So I'm going to be getting my string from this side, and I'm going to be making a 4 just like that. And then I'm going to be getting the string, pulling it through, and then I'm going to be pulling it up. And you're going to want to do that 2 times on every color. So I already did it 2 times on this one. So I'm going to be using the same string, going to the next color. So I'm going to be doing another 4. I'm going to go under this pink and grab the darker pink. And then I'm going to be pulling it up. And I'm going to be doing that one more time. So once again, 4, going under this, pulling the string through, and then pulling up. So then once I've done the 2 knots on every color, I'm going to leave the color I just used and go back to the beginning, which now it's white. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to do a 4, pull the string through, pull it up, do another 4, pull it through, pull it up, grab the pink, do a 4, pull it up, 4, pull it up, and I'm just going to be repeating this exact step throughout the whole bracelet. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I finished my bracelet, and I still have extra thread, but all you're going to want to do is you're going to tie a knot when you finally have reached the length that you want. So I'm just going to tie a knot right here. And before you tie the knot, make sure that it does fit your wrist, so just measure it before making the knot. So there's my knot. And then I'm just going to cut this excess off. You can do 2 knots just in case. So that's what I'm going to do. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to cut the excess off. Here is the finished bracelet. It just looks like this. And how I attached it was I just put the knot through the loop that we made earlier. And it stays on pretty good with that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!